Next section, letters. Shulchan Aruch Orach Chaim 307:14 states that it is permitted to read letters on Shabbos, a letter on Shabbos, if one does not know its contents, because the letter might contain information important to the reader's well-being. Right. Okay. However, one may only scan it with his eyes and not read it with his lips. Okay, so very important. Scan it with his eyes, but not read it with his lips. So when there is a very important letter. So again, if one does not know the content, because the letter might contain information important for the reader's well-being, right? Or like he's worried about his son, his daughter. Okay. And he got like a letter from somebody else, from their neighbor. So right. However, one may only scan it with the eyes and not read it with his lips. Furthermore, once one knows the contents, it is forbidden to read the second time. Right. So second time, because there is no such a rush, there is no such a need, such a desperation. If it is a type of letter that certainly does not contain vital information, for example, a greeting card, one is forbidden to read it all. Right. So, meaning if it's you think there is something important, again, does not apply to us today. Harav Moshe Feinstein Zatzal state the Shulchan Aruch lenient ruling concerning letters is not applicable nowadays, since the important information generally transmitted via telephone or via express mail. Right, so express mail or telegram or something, rather than a general delivery mail. Right, so like it's not if something very important, like some documents they would send you overnight or some like a special delivery. Consequently, reading all letters is forbidden due to the decree, lest one read business documents. So very, very simple. But don't read letters. Okay.